Hey everybody, today we're talking about Arrested by Adrian Vega. Hey there everybody, I'm Eric Tate alongside my good buddy Nick LaCappa, and today we are talking about Arrested by Adrian Vega. Incredible trick.
Yeah.
I really like this one a lot.
This is one I think flew under the radar. You guys should be doing this trick.
You really should.
Let me show you what it is.
Okay.
Now, you're going to need a couple people to do this trick. You can do it for one person, but you need 2 cards chosen, so it's better if there's 2 people available. You'll just have to use your other personality.
My invisible friend.
Yeah, your invisible friend, yeah. Eric, I'm just going to riffle through the cards like this. As I go through, just say stop.
Stop.
Right here?
Yep.
Take the card.
Card for me.
And then the card for his friend, right? And while they're examining the cards, I'm going to go through the deck. I'm going to grab the Joker out of the pack, okay? So you guys have your cards. We also are going to use the Joker right here. I'm going to take the Joker, and while I have it, you take those 2 cards, place them anywhere you want into the deck.
All right.
I'm going to be folding this Joker lengthwise like this.
Shuffle it so you can't find him.
Oh, did I tell you to shuffle?
I'm trying to mess you up, bro.
All right, anyway. I'm going to attempt to find both of your cards, but I'm going to do it without any sleight of hand.
Okay.
And now to do that, I'm going to need a pair of restraints.
Oh, see.
So what I'm making here.
Already invested in this trick.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can give this away. We got the Joker's head. That'll go to. You can give that away, which is kind of fun.
Yeah.
Leave it on the table.
Yeah, that's
Let
pretty
them
cool.
see that.
I like that right there.
Let me get the other little hole out of here. And this one should probably be like the wheel. What do we got? Yeah, we got the wheel.
Oh, that's cool.
Get the wheel.
Check that out.
So one person get the head, one person gets the wheel. But what we've done is we've created a set of thumb cuffs. I am restrained. I cannot use any sleight of hand to find your cards. See how much fun this tricks are already? So you guys both chose cards that you've then shuffled them into the deck. I am completely tied to my wrists here together. My thumbs have been constrained. I'm going to try to find your cards. All right, and I'm going to do it fast. I'm getting better at this. That's card number 1.
Okay.
And this right here is card number 2.
Okay.
Kind of neat I am, right? What was your cards?
The 5 of diamonds and the 10 of clubs.
It wasn't the 4 of clubs and the 3 of spades?
No.
Oh, I know what I'll do. I'll do a better trick. I will escape from the thumb cuffs. Okay.
Okay.
You know, I mean, I kind of messed that up, but I will escape from the thumb cuffs. Just
That's not escape. That's just tearing cards.
I mean, it was just tearing cards, but it was impressive, right?
Sure.
No. What was your cards?
The 5 of clubs and the 10 of diamonds. Sorry, the 5 of diamonds and the 10 of clubs.
We can't
I
even
reversed
remember this point.
10 of clubs and the 5 of diamonds.
The 10 of clubs?
Oh.
The 5 of diamonds?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is a great trick.
All right, look, that was kind of crazy presentation there, but you get the hang of it, right?
Look, this is awesome.
But look what you're left with on the table here.
I mean, this is something that people are going to remember because you're sort of creating an impossible object in the moment. The card does a lot of the work for you.
Well, yeah, the gimmicks that you receive, this is what you're going to get. Yeah. You're going to get, I think there's 26 in here. Cards, and they're different cards.
And you also get a special Joker because, as I'm sure you noticed, the Joker is a little bit different than the traditional sort of bicycle Joker right here. But to be totally honest, I think this aids in the trick because it's a much more colorful, sort of like memorable Joker. So when you tear the centers out, it looks more like a Joker than if you were to tear a normal Joker out.
So like the gimmick that you're getting here allows you to find the 2 cards and also tear out the centers here, leaving this stuff and the ripped cards like out on the table. And yeah, with the regular Joker, it actually doesn't look that cool.
Yeah.
So it's kind of designed so the Joker's in the right place, you know.
It's like just a bunch of like weird gray lines when you do it with a regular Joker, but with this Joker, it's like you're very clearly tearing a Joker. So it's like an extra convincer.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're justifying this Joker, but at the same time, nobody knows that this isn't the Joker that comes in it's just a Joker.
Also, you can do it with more than the 5 of diamonds and the 10 of clubs. The package of cards that you get that are like pre-printed gimmicks for you to be able to do Arrested come with a wide variety of different cards for you to be able to use. So it's not always going to be the 5 of diamonds and the 10 of clubs, which is a really nice feature.
Yeah, I'm sure you can imagine what is going on here. So it's a very heavily gimmicked card, but it's flat. It doesn't have anything like extra pieces or anything like that.
There's no really heavy arts and crafts that you're going to have to do to get this. I mean, it's going to be like basically ready to go as soon as you get this in the mail.
Yeah, and the thing about it is there's there's a double lift in this routine.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's all presentation and fun. There's nothing like once you've got the cards forced, you're done. That's it, you know. And in the video, we go over different ways of forcing the cards. It was a little different here because we didn't have another person and things. So, but there's a lot of ways to get there. This kind of falls in the same world as like Anniversary Waltz or Siamese Waltz or just like these crazy giveaway objects that people will remember forever.
It's also just like the image of you with your thumb through a card is something your audience is just never going to forget.
Yeah, it's really, really fun.
The moment you start, and I cannot emphasize enough, the moment you tear a playing card, your audience starts to like really pay attention because they're like, well, those are playing cards. A magician would never tear their playing cards. And when you're tearing them in a unique way like this, it really starts to ramp up that entertainment level for your audience.
I should also mention they're on red bicycle rider back as well.
Yeah.
I think that's about it.
No, that really is all there is to it. It's Arrested by Adrian Vega. It's a really cool trick. You should be doing it.